Welcome to the video by Djsprc. We are in the woods today, and we have the Rhino Yue One V2. His first initial test run and his first scratches. If you can't physically see it right now, yeah, the body is not pristine anymore. But again, the only reason I put the body on it is really to protect the carbon fiber. Yeah, and we have the Capra beside us too, the 2.0. But let's take this machine in the rocks here and see how she does. My initial impression with it, love it. With a little bit of tweaking in the remote itself, you can get the 100% full speed, not full speed, but the slowness of the speed control that has the AMC 32 in it. And basically can't even go slower than you're seeing it right now. And what I love about the AMC 32 that's in this speed control, basically it's a drone speed control, is you'll go set it, let's say, to a certain speed, and you go uphill, and the speed control will stay the same speed. It will compensate to keep it. And you do have some speed to it. When you do floor it, it's fast enough, seriously. I'm running on a 3S 800 milliamp. And if you're looking at this video and you did look at the axle review I did in the wheels, and you say to yourself, yeah, I want one. This one I got on AliExpress. There's multiple of them. Just look for the Rhino Yue One V2. There is a V1 too. A little bit of difference in the V1 with the rear links, things like that. It is a servo on axle. The tires are carbon fiber and aluminum. With the J concept, now I got a memory blank. No, they're not the chisels. I don't remember. Let's take a second here. Ruptures. Can you say a memory mega blank here? And they're 1.9 stretch on a 2.2. The rim is a 2.2 and the tires are 1.9. The rims are from Rhino. Fascia is carbon fiber. Rear plate is carbon fiber. Center is aluminum. Vented. Basically, these tires are, if you do go play in water with them, these rims, the water will shed out. Easy to remove and dry up your foam. But right now in these I have the silicone inserts. They are the blue ones from Enduro. I'm trying it out right now to see how they are. They're not that bad. I might do a modification. I might go down to the green ones. I have the greens in the shop. I'm just not sure. Because I was discussing with Crowder Canyon, and basically he tried another version with the ruptures, with the green, and they were a little bit too soft. And he said, maybe try the blue ones. I'm doing it right now. I'll see. I might add a little bit of weight to the front end. It's a light machine. Certain places you want to climb with it, the top end just go backward. It won't stay down. But I would say the machine weighs roughly about what, 5 pounds, 6 pounds, go max. Shocks on it, I have the Pro line Pro scalers. And I have, I think it's 30 weights in it, if I remember correctly. And like the speed control in it is the Rhino 80 amp ESC, if I remember correctly, with the 1900 kV outrunner. And what's fun is we're just going to bring it to the flat surface here, and you'll see the front motor turning right now. Now this machine is not waterproof at all. You literally have to stay away from water. The speed control is not, and you see the speed control in the windshield. I do have an OMG 55 kg, pretty much overkill, but I said why not. Seriously, the machine is fun. I wasn't sure if I would have liked it. And like I said, on AliExpress, there's multiple kits you can buy. You can buy the machine pretty much pre-built from Rhino. You can buy just the chassis. You can buy basically like what I did. I bought the chassis, axle, transmission in one shot with the drive shafts. Then I turned around, I bought the motor and speed control separately, and went with my servo separately again in the shop. But you can get this kit completely built or not built. Like I said, it is an awesome machine. Rim wise, you buy the rims, you have to buy your X's too. They don't come together, but you can give it a different offset if you want it a little bit wider. Again, wider is not that great sometimes. You'll put more strain on the axle itself. And the air portals, the axles, if you're wondering. A lot of people were bashing them online, saying the construction of the axles are not that great. You see tool marks, things like that. Like my YouTube partner just said right now, I don't know if you heard him, who cares? It is true. There's scratch right now. I see scratches left and right. It's a crawler. It's not a show queen. If it would have been a show queen, completely different, I would understand, but it's not. It's a machine that'll go in the rocks. And you could buy a set of $500 axles and it may break on you. It is what it is. But this is my fast kind of review of the Rhino Yue One V2. If you guys have any question or comment, post them below. I gladly answer you guys. And don't forget, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. It's still free to subscribe. And hit that bell to get notified when I upload another video. But thank you for watching.